Get out of here. Had enough of your
Yes.
rubbish.
I guess I'll just go home now. Take care of yourself. Don't
Get
forget
out!
to think too hard. You.
Josh! You spilled the water!
Yeah. I got it on film too. Look at the filters out too.
Oh no.
Go get a towel. Go get a towel. Hurry, hurry.
It's gonna dry.
Josh, how did the hit look? We needed to make it. Cause it.
Oh, we can always add like the scene of him getting up.
Yeah, let's make.
Yeah,
it.
I think we should have a better
Okay,
chair.
get the towel.
Yeah. Because I just...
Yeah, it doesn't dry. Don't be so. You're gonna have this on the floor, dude.
Got it on.
I just heard this. I couldn't help but laugh at the way you were like. Their feet were just. It's like collapsed. Oh god.
For the real chair hit, let's not have Andy do it because you're not supposed to be lifting things. Okay. We'll just show like hands in the chair just swinging.
It's kind of hard to hit hard and not deadly. You know, I get it. You have to have him down where he was laying there.
That was pretty good.
His feet was aching. No, we're just
It's
gonna
so
add like
funny.
little parts, like little clips. Wait. Baby, baby.
Turn the camera.
I want to show that. Okay. Pickle nose. Turn the
Jack.
camera.
Let me see all of these.
Roll up
Well,
your
get
sleeves.
down so maybe you can't see Steven, okay?
Hold on, it's not focused. It's kind of blurry. Okay.
Did that hurt? It's not! Okay.
That's my grandpa and grandma.
It's all good to me.
Okay, okay.
Is there enough of the comments?
Did you chew it?
No.
Did you want me to put more?
What's on your face?
That's what I need to know.
Do it for him, man. Okay, now we're in the face. Okay, so, John, Andy, here's what you need to do. You're gonna be here like this. Josh, as soon as the lights come on, you're gonna be there, Josh.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, I'm kind of directing.
That's fine.
Okay, alright. As soon as the lights are gonna be coming on, Andy.
Oh, jeez.
You're not supposed to.
He's spitting the
Give
blue
me
out.
another one, you mother.
Good, another one.
Oh, yeah. You poisonous person. Alright, okay. Ready? So, Andy, you're gonna get here. As soon as lights come on.
It's so bad.
And go like this. And then you're gonna walk. We need to get you to walk over here.
You should spit it out.
You guys just heard that.
Okay, alright. Okay, Josh, okay, focus. Okay, so, Andy, and then you walk over here like you're trying to figure out what's going on, and we need to get him over here
Uh-huh.
so that, and you need to get out so we can't see your shadow.
Uh-huh.
So you'll have him walk over here, follow him, and then turn, and make sure you can't get the shadow, and then down, okay? Fast, alright? Okay?
Uh-huh.
Ready, guys?
Yes.
I'm gonna turn the light on.
Yes, dude. Get the bottom of it.
I'm gonna turn the light off. kill him.
You guys still in here? What do I have to do to get you guys out of here?
Digested slowly over 10,000 years. I have a new definition of pain and suffering now.
Really?
Yes.
Would you like me to release you?
Yes.
Turn it on!
Into the steel.
Stop wasting the tape!
Now the beast will be unleashed. On my way, camera boy.